Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing La Shield sunscreen. Now, this is one of the most well-known sunscreens out there. It is used by a lot of celebrities also, and it is very much talked about. Now, I'm super excited to be doing this review because I've been using this sunscreen for over 3 months now, and I have quite a lot of things to say about it. So let's get started. So this is how the sunscreen looks like. It very clearly talks about everything on the packaging, which is a great thing. So firstly, it says that it is a sunscreen gel. Now quickly giving you the difference between gel and a cream. A gel is usually oil free, whereas cream has some sort of oil. So this is great for people with oily skin as well. Though it is oil free, it doesn't leave your skin completely dry, so it is gel based. And also to tell you, gel based products usually come in a lot of colors also, but this has no color in it, which is great. It is also dermatologically tested, and it says on the package that it is oil free and is dermatologically tested, which is again a great point. Thirdly, it says that it has an SPF of 40, which I think is quite a decent range. You know, anything above 30, 35 to 50 is a great range to have, especially if you're in India. Next thing, it says that it is PA+++. Now quickly telling you, there are 3 kinds of spectrum that you get in sunscreens. It is PA single plus, PA double plus, and PA triple plus. So to quickly tell you, PA single plus gives you protection from some sort of radiation, PA double plus gives you protection from moderate radiations, and PA triple plus is the best because it gives you protection from the most advanced sort of radiations and UVA. Now it says that it has a broad spectrum UVA and UVB. Now we know that there are 3 sorts of categories here: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVC doesn't really penetrate into the environment, but UVA and UVB does, and it does affect our skin. So UVA basically penetrates deep into our skin and, you know, can give you skin wrinkles, aging signs, even skin cancer. UVB doesn't really penetrate into the deep layers of your skin, but it gives you sunburn, tanning, and other sorts of different skin conditions, redness, itchiness, etc. Now, I want to tell you that a lot of sunscreens do not provide you protection from UVA and UVB both. But the best part about this sunscreen is that it gives you protection from both, and it is PA+++, which means it gives you a broad spectrum protection, which is what you should look for in a sunscreen generally. Now it says that it is non-irritant, it is water resistant, it is preservative free, alcohol and dye free, and it is without color additive, which I have already mentioned that it is great, that it is a gel based sunscreen. It is oil free, so it's great for basically all sort of skin types. It doesn't really come in any color, although gel based products might come in different colors, but it is color or dye free, which again is great. Secondly, it doesn't have any sort of smell, fragrance whatsoever, and I feel that is again a great point because, you know, addition of fragrances might cause oxidization on the skin as well, and also it basically means that you're adding more chemicals into the products. So it doesn't really smell like anything. It is completely odorless, which again is a great point. And it is a physical sunscreen, okay? So, you know, they say that it is water resistant, but I don't really want to believe it. So, you know, for sunscreen, you want to keep applying it every 3 to 4 hours for it to work best for you. And also just to tell you that you should apply the sunscreen before 30 to 35 minutes of stepping out to get the best results. Now talking about its price point, so it costs somewhere around 700. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. This is 60 gram of product, and while you might think that it is a little expensive, but can I also tell you that it gives you a broad spectrum protection. It is dermatologically tested, good for all skin types, doesn't leave white cast, and it is basically everything you want in a sunscreen. So I don't really think that it is that pricey to say, because honestly I have been using this for 3-4 months, and I know that it can go on and on and on for another 4-5 months as well. So for a year I think it's a good price to spend in a sunscreen. Now quickly giving you the demo, you can see that I have nothing on my face, no makeup whatsoever. I have just applied a little bit of moisturizer, which I usually do before applying a sunscreen, and then after applying moisturizer I let my skin take time to absorb it, and after 2 minutes or 3 minutes I go ahead with the sunscreen. So you can see that I'm taking this sunscreen and I've taken quite a lot of it actually. So you need to like nicely take this sunscreen so that your face and your neck area is completely covered. Then I'm gonna start massaging it on my face, and while doing this, make sure that you're not harsh. Go very slow in circular motions and gently massage it on your face and on your neck. So you can clearly see that it gives a nice shine to the face, although it tends to get a little matte later, but it feels like it gives you slight amount of glow, which is again great. While it is oil free, it doesn't really feel completely drying, which is a great thing, and doesn't really leave the white cast on your face, which is a problem with a lot of sunscreens. So this was it for the review of this product. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you find it helpful. Please do not forget to let me know in the comment section below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? This is free. Please hit that red subscribe button and do not forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Please stay tuned and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.